What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Buzz checking in, and if this is your first time, go ahead and take a look around the channel, see if there's any videos you like or interest you. If you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn that notification bell on so you can get notified every time I drop a video, and go ahead and hit the like button on this video so you can go ahead and recommend it to other viewers. Now, today, I'm about to perform an emergency procedure. Has pertained with the pool. We got some things going on. You see it's still not filled up all the way. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? This is my first time seeing this. Oh my gosh. Bro. Y'all see that? That's a freaking bird. How did a bird drown in the pool? That's crazy. It's the first time I've ever seen a bird in here. Back to what I was saying, I'm about to perform an emergency procedure. It seems like I have a leak around the pool. You see this water build up right here? Yeah, there's a lot of water build up. And it just rained. It's been raining for the past couple of days. But usually, even when it wasn't raining, this was still filled up with water right here. And you know, as I walked around, there was still water around on this side also. But it was kind of dry on this side. But you know, this is all of the, and I noticed over here in the grass is wet. So it's pretty much wet all around. So that definitely means I have a leak. I might have multiple leaks. I'm not really sure, not quite sure how many leaks I actually have. But it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. If I go out here into the yard, well, I mean, I guess this really doesn't help you all because it just rained. But, you know, there's wetness all the way out into the yard here. And it's coming from the pool. You know, I don't mind excuse my toes, but I see that water coming up. And this is how far I am away from the pool. So, yeah, it shouldn't be wet around here. And it was wet before it started raining. So it shouldn't be this wet. Y'all see this water when I step? Y'all see that? It's crazy. It should not be this wet around here. But if I go around here to this side, same distance away, nothing's there, you know? It's just, so I'm thinking that it's leaking from the pool and it's kind of trickling down, you know, I guess down the grade of the hill. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to get in here. I'm about to show you how to find the leak. I guess I'll get the bird out. Ooh, what kind of animal is that? There's all kind of animals in here. Yeah, I gotta get this cleaned out. That's crazy. That bird is ridiculous. It's diabolical. Crazy work. So yeah, I'm about to get in here and try to find this leak, patch it up, and go from there. Alright, so it literally just took me like 2 to 3 minutes to find where the hole is. Alright, so the way I figured out where the general area of where the leak is, I originally had water on this side of the pool. I'll show y'all the whole pool so y'all could get the orientation of it. I noticed there was water right here. This is where I first noticed water. And it's always the highest on this side. Even though it did go around, I'm just guessing like the soil had to soak up water, and once one area of soil was already saturated, the water couldn't take anymore, so it had to spread on around. So I'm thinking that's why there's water all the way around. But this is where it started at. So this is where I started looking for the hole. Let me take you guys into the pool. Yes, trying to stay away from the bird over there. So like I said, I started on this side, and what all I did was try to press on the ground, see if any water came out, or see if, like, you know, just seeing if there's anything unusual. When I got over here to this side, I started pressing, and if you can't see it, the hole is right there. So if you press it, you'll notice you'll get some stuff coming out. But yeah, you really have to press all around the pool. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to mark it with one of these pool, I guess you'd call it party favors. I'm about to just set it right on top of there just so I can mark the spot. So when I come back with the tape, I could just, just put it on there. And while I'm in here, ew, what the heck is that? Alright, so yeah. While I'm in here, I'm just inspecting the rest of the pool. Just seeing if there's any other holes that, might go unnoticed. Seeing if those are specks of dirt or, you're just pressing around and feeling and see if you notice anything. That might actually be my only hole. But yeah, I'm just gonna see. Okay, so I didn't even have to go to the store. I still have my vinyl pool repair kit from the first time I had to repair the pool. Same issue, same thing I did. Just press around at the bottom of the pool, look for bubbles or look for things to come on out. And yeah, all I did was, get this repair kit. You can get it from Home Depot, you can get it from Lowe's, any hardware store like that. And yeah, it's very simple, it's very easy to use. These are just patches, they're basically just stickers. I low-key forgot how to use these. I think, let me see. Alright, so they have these, and then they have, alright, no clue what that is. I thought I just pulled this apart. Let me see. Alright, so this is a clear plastic film. I believe this is the stuff that I use. Do I pull this apart? Let me see. Hold on, let me read the directions real quick. Let me refresh myself real quick. Alright, so after reading the directions, it seems very simple. I can either use the circle patches or I can peel the back off of this. You see how that's that you peel this off, this side is sticky, and all you do is go in the water, place that on there. Or these circle round patches, I think I'm gonna use these. Because I believe last time they had 2 of these. So this is what I used in the pool the first time. So I think this time I'm going to use the circle around patches. Because you see this just peels off. And this part is sticky. So I'm going to just do that, place it on the pool, and that'll be it. It also comes with some kind of adhesive. Looks like glue. I believe you use that along with this. I believe this is for like larger holes. So yeah, I believe this should do. Y'all see the little pin size hole that I have in mine. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. And it has started to rain again, so let's go ahead and get this over with before it starts really pouring down. Oh, where's the bird? Oh, the bird's over there. The bird. The bird is the word. Alright. You see my handy dandy marker over there, so I can know where the actual patch is, the actual hole is. Alright. So excuse me while I get this unfolded or unpeeled. Alright. Just gonna peel that back. Alright. Let's see. Remove my little marker, and I'm going in. Alright. See the patch? Wait, where's the patch? Alright, you see the patch? There's the hole. I'm going in. Alright, just want to go ahead and make sure it's good and on there. Got a guest coming by. What the heck is that thing, man? Make sure that patch is down good. And it says the longer it stays down, the stronger the bond. So, alright, so after I patch that up, I'm gonna wait a few to see if this dries. Probably wait a few days to see, you know, if that water around the pool starts to dry up. And once we find out if that water dries up after a few days, then that means we've completed our mission. We have successfully patched the hole in the pool. And then after that, we'll probably do a little secondary cleaning, a second round of cleaning, because y'all saw all of that. Little nasty bird, little critters in there. We'll probably get all that out, get all the gunk out, and then we'll fill it up, and we'll be swimming in no time. So, that's how you repair, that's how you find a leak in your above ground pool. That's how you fix the leak in your above ground pool. But yeah, I hope this video helps somebody out. Happy swimming. Have a safe summer. Bye, guys.